What it do, ski AK crew?
We are back, y'all.
I'm so excited.
We are out here.
I really do something. Yeah. 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 I just met my pappy. Look at me now, I ain't really happy.
We about to give y'all a hotel room tour.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started and give y'all that room tour. I'm very excited. We like it a lot. Like, this is like the best.
Like?
Okay, we love it.
Yeah.
This is like the best room, hotel room, resort, whatever we stayed in. This is the best.
Ever.
The view, y'all just wait on that, okay?
Yeah. Oh no. We have company. Oh, say less. Come on, MTV. Come look at my crib real quick, man. Look, I got y'all. Welcome to our crib. First and foremost, we have 4 beautiful, my favorite numbers. 4, mirror closets. You can't beat that, all right? So now Kennedy can have any one of these 3 while I got my 1. We got some of our fits hanging out. Closet doors in a mess. Don't judge us. We got an ironing board. We got some outfits. We got some spa stuff. My junk up there. Yeah, enough to be seen, okay, y'all? On to the next. We have a safe, a marvelous safe that we never use, but it may come in handy. You never know. Kennedy's big suitcase. We got some ironing stuff. We are going to be using these. Stay tuned. Okay. Got some little cubbies over here. Now let me take you to where all the magic happens. The bathroom. This is my Royal Highness right here. You know, you see, I got the wipes up top. But there's a nice, elite bathroom. You can close it, you know. Again, that's my palace. We got the double mirrors. If y'all know Kennedy and I, we gotta have 2 sinks. I cannot share a sink with that girl. I love that, but I can't do the 2 in 1 sink. All right. So we got a nice jacuzzi, and like I said, stay right there. Let me show you something real quick. If you want, you can have all of that out here, but you can also close this joint too. But I'm gonna open it back up. Hey, it's me again. Elite, nice view. We're gonna utilize this before we leave.
That laugh.
Yeah, biggest laugh. We got a nice walk-in stand-up shower, the nice glass. Telling you, nice gray marble, white marble, which is similar to what we have at the crib. And I love this glass with the resort like logo on it. It's nice. We got some space. We done put our toiletries underneath there, go nice and neat. So y'all know my side, the left side, Kennedy's side, the left, the right side. I also brought my speaker from back in the crib. That is my speaker, it's not their speaker. But yeah, so again, you can get a little nice view of the head. Like I said, we got a nice little seating area. If you ever wanted to sit, think. I'm done thinking. Sit and think, about whatever. You can think about, that test you took in middle school that you didn't do well on. You can think about the rest of your life. But yeah, a lot of thinking goes around, a lot of thinking. This is our little smelly egg thing. You plug it up.
That's a humidifier.
Humidifier, that's what it is.
That's a humidifier. Humidifier that he spilled over.
Yeah.
He spilled all the water out of it, but you need to put more water in it.
That smells good. Come on out. But yeah, Beautiful so far. We love this. This is by far, the best room we've ever had so far. We're gonna leave it at that so far.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna show you the rest of the room. Alex finished off with the humidifier. So now we're into the bedroom. And you see it's kind of connected to the bathroom, the tub area that Alex was showing you. This is the nightstand for Alex, because I sleep on the right side of the bed. I always sleep on the right side of the bed, away from the door. That's all I'm gonna do. I don't want to sleep on the left side of the bed or close to the door, so he gotta do that so that the villain can come get him first and I'll be safe. So anyway, but this is a little mat and our slippers. I like that because I don't like, there's no carpet as you can see. So I always walk around in my shoes, or if like I'm in my pajamas, I put the slippers on ridiculous. This is a big king size bed that they gave us. It's really comfortable. It's really nice. And then over here, adjacent from it, is a long dresser. And we're just living out of our suitcases. We're not gonna use the drawers or anything. If we was here longer, maybe 7 days or 2 weeks, we might use it. And then the ice tray, some glasses, some water, my stuff, some pretty little thing, some more water, my stuff again, and some wine, and then, a refrigerator, and some alcohol. So yeah, we got some, we got Sprite and ginger ale, which is my favorite. So they got some Sprite and ginger ale, and, what's this? Oh, just close it. Yeah, that was something, but yeah. So we got that. I think that's really nice and cool. Ooh, it smells good in there. Okay, we got some potato chips, got some tea, got some sugar, got some crackers.
These.
Never mind, those are nuts.
These nuts.
Hey, yeah, not these crackers.
Got 'em.
This is a little bag they gave us that was on the bed. So, Boo, this could be my beach bag, or you
Take it tomorrow. Take it tomorrow.
Do I have to give it back to them?
I don't know. You're gonna ask.
Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Then over here, this is where the wine glasses and the wine was originally at, and it was so nice when we walked in. So we had breakfast here earlier this morning. It was so nice. And then I'm probably gonna order room service and we'll have dinner there. And then this big old spacious mirror where we've been taking a whole bunch of pictures in together. My nightstand, the phone. We both have lamps. We both have a light too, like a reading light. And then again, a mat on my side, my slippers. Yeah. And that's, I think, it in the room. Oh, and then the big TV. I think I mentioned that already. So yeah, the big TV right here. I feel like they could have honestly had a bigger TV with all this wall. Me and Alex was saying that. Like, I just feel like that was being a little cheap, but that's cool. We're not going to watch TV anyway. We're doing excursions and all that. And then...
Be careful. No. Yeah.
Baby. Oh, baby.
You got it? Watch your nails.
This is the view. This is our balcony. It's very, very nice. Oh, Alex, you were right. You were right when you said this was our room.
Yeah, very good. One thing she didn't tell y'all, this opens up all the way.
You go further than this?
I think that should be good. So yeah, I'm gonna come out to you. Hey.
Come to me.
Right into this view. Right into this view. Let's get into this view. Man. So, that concludes our room tour.
at Ocho's Rios.
Exactly. Ocho's Rios, Moon Palace, Jamaica. Highly, highly, highly recommend. This is a Superior Junior Suite. So if y'all want to book, you know, it's an amazing view. But I always got the best view.
No,
I always got the best
I
view.
have the best view.
Stop the cat.
No, I have the best view. But yeah, this was our room tour. We hope you enjoyed. Let us know if you have any questions or concerns.
100%.
And if we forgot anything to mention, just let us know.
100%. But look, we enjoyed this having, you know, doing this tour for y'all. Let us know what y'all think. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, share. Let us know.
Yeah. Huh. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. Huh. Yeah.